How can I ensure that my accountants are not doing backdated entries and manipulating the fee data?
Thank you for your query, Gautam sir. I will show you how you can ensure this. Log in to your SchoolPad account, and from the menu option look up search for Daily Fee Collection. Click on Create New Report and select the date range, for which you want to check all the fee records entered in the system. Apply the System Entry Date filter. And then click on Print. That's it. You will now receive a report of all entries with today's date as the receipt date, as well as entries with a backdated receipt date. This will help you keep track on a daily basis of entries being done on the system and make your reconciliation process even more accurate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.